Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the test tube pH pen with ATC, the IC-850063. The test tube pH ATC pen is designed for straightforward one-handed operation. The meter is designed to meet the rigours of laboratory applications. The case is IP65 rated waterproof and will float if accidentally dropped into water. The meter features a hold function, auto power off, and automatic calibration and buffer recognition. In the box there's a user manual with information on setup, taking measurements and calibration, 2 CR2032 coin cell batteries, and the pH meter. The meter features a large LCD screen, 3 buttons. These are hold, calibration, and power. The probe, which is specially designed for inserting into test tubes. An electrode storage bottle filled with electrode storage solution to keep the electrode bulb hydrated. The pH and temperature sensors on the end, and on the back of the unit is the battery compartment. To get started, unscrew the battery compartment using a small coin. A 10-cent coin works well. Insert the batteries, observing the polarity, and replace and lock the battery compartment door. Pressing the power button to turn the meter on displays the screen. The following will be located on the panel. The pH reading is in the middle. Up the top is the data hold indicator, calibration mode indicator, automatic temperature compensation indicator, and a low battery icon. And on the bottom are the temperature reading and selected temperature units. To watch an instrument choice scientist set up, calibrate, and take a simple measurement using the IC-850063 pH pen, or for details on how you can speak with an instrument choice scientist about this meter, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.